Invisible is a gemstone polishing method created from the combination of modern and Thai refinement techniques. The result of this technique will have a unique and delicate shape. This method has been passed down from relatives for more than 50 years. Nowadays, this method is dying out due to the lack of new learners. The design of lotus brooch is influenced by Buddhism beliefs. Since the lotus is one of the flowers used for worship, lotus brooch is crafted from a secret combination of silver to make an extra resistant craft. The lotus leaf and flower patterns are engraved with crafters who are experienced in floral engraving work to make our ornaments as realistic as possible. The silver brooch needs 2 weeks to be completely formed. After forming a silver case, the brooch needs to be polished to make the lotus pattern clearer. The polishing and inspecting process will take 2 days. Then, the silver case would be embellished with red pink sapphire. Due to its resemblance to a lotus, the gemstones with little deviation in color need to be carefully picked for about 10 days. This process spends a lot of time, since naturally formed gems have varying colors. After gem picking by professionals, the jewelry must be cut and embedded by master craftsmen for 30 to 45 days. The embedding process must be performed by the experienced and harmonious team. The exceptional piece created by AVALON will always be memorable.